X reference. Okay, X reference. Suppose how to call any image or any PDF in our AutoCAD. Okay. So now suppose there have been no command right now. Okay, in this command line. So just write here Xref. Xref, that is X reference. Okay, then go to here attach. Okay, just attach here, attach image. Any image you can call. Okay, suppose we can call here some drawing. Suppose in G-Drive there are a previously saved drawing. Which one is suppose okay, this one. Suppose create here. Okay, select this one. You see this one. So now choose here thumbnail. Okay, so now this one is thumbnail. So easily visible all the drawing here. Okay, easily visible all the drawing here. Suppose draw this, select this comma block. So now this comma block coming here. Okay, so now this comma block coming here. As per requirement, this one is comma block coming here. Now you can draw here. Suppose from this line. Okay, here suppose create one line from here to here. Okay, then here to here. Okay, if you move this one. Okay, if you move this one, suppose, so now this line created here. Okay, so that is the procedure. You can call any image in this AutoCAD. Okay, and another one is suppose if you call any PDF. Okay, suppose that is the same procedure also. So just type it here X reference. Okay, this one is X reference. This is the X reference, and then type here. This one is attached PDF. Here this is the attached PDF, and then call here. Suppose in the downloads there are a PDF already previously selected. Okay, so just go to download folder. This one is downloads. Okay, and I will call here this drawing. Okay, picture 009. Okay, so now this one is open here. So now if you specify X, Y, Z, okay, or otherwise this one is coming from 00. Okay, and then okay. Okay, so now this one is already coming here. This one is picture 009. This one is loaded already. Okay, this is the loaded picture already coming. Okay, as per your scale, this one is loaded and coming here. You can scale it up. This is also by scale option in the modify. There is a scale option. You can scale it up. Okay, so that is the procedure. Okay, so you can call any image PDF by its reference. Okay, so what of you practice this one.